This double chocolate banana bread is moist and a little more on the healthy side, made with almond flour and cacao chocolate powder. Serve it for breakfast or dessert. Here is a list of your ingredients, and they can be found in the description box below. Butter and flour a loaf pan, making sure you tap out the excess flour. To a bowl, add your dry ingredients: 2 cups extra fine almond flour, 6 tablespoons cacao powder. Cacao is the raw form of chocolate from the cacao bean. You can get it in nibs, which are the crushed pieces, or ground into a fine powder. This is chocolate in the raw form, meaning it is without the addition of sugar, milk, and processed fats. It contains higher levels of antioxidants and minerals. Add 1½ teaspoons baking powder, a half a teaspoon baking soda, and a half a teaspoon sea salt. Whisk together to combine, then set aside. Mash 3 large ripe bananas with a fork in your wet ingredient bowl. Add 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/4 cup maple syrup. I'm using a 0 sugar, 0 calorie syrup, but you can use regular syrup if you wish. Whisk your wet ingredients. Pour your wet ingredients into your dry ingredients and stir until just combined. Add half of the dark chocolate chips and stir them in. Pour the batter into your prepared loaf pan and then sprinkle the remaining dark chocolate chips on top. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 50 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clear. Cool completely in the pan before removing. This bread can be stored at room temperature for 1 to 2 days and then needs to go into the fridge or freezer. Enjoy!